Okay, so today I was out at jury duty and it was so intense, like insanely intensely windy. It was probably 40 miles an hour almost consistently, and there were gusts up to 60. And there's a pine tree that's out back of the house, and it's a full grown pine tree, and it's like 20 or 30 feet tall. And check out what happened to it when I was out today. That sucker fell over. You can even see the roots are just pulled right up out of the ground. And I mean, there's part of it's dead, but most of the tree looks like it was probably alive. And now it's very much not anymore. So, yep, there's crazy event of the day.